In this video, I'm about to show you how to create a Gemini AI account. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type Gemini AI signs up and press enter. Next, click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once you're in the Gemini AI website, click on the sign up button located at the top right corner. Now, you'll need to enter your email address in the provided field. Then, click on Next to continue. After that, enter a password. Click on Next again. Now, Google will send a notification to your mobile phone to verify your identity. Tap Yes on the notification, then tap on the number displayed on your phone to confirm that it's you. Once verified, click on Continue. As you can see, your Gemini AI account has now been successfully created and you're ready to use it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.